Alright, and we're back and we're looking at GameStop with some chart action. Before we get into it, consider subscribing. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I'm looking at the chart and I had this triangle pattern forming and it looks like we're breaking to the downside, guys. The bear market is still on, in my opinion. Alright, so we're on the 1 hourly right now. Let's go to the 4 hourly. I think, yeah, there was the 180 moving average is around 35.64. So we can maybe see a bounce right here, possibly, but it's possible it breaks through and hits this trend line as well. So if you look back, there's this resistance that it came up to right here, came up as resistance, and then when it finally broke that line, it shot through. So we can probably look for a support line somewhere around the same area, possibly. Maybe we can see a wick down over here. Hopefully this gets support and it starts moving back up. But for now, we're still in a bear trend. Let me show you the moving averages too. So if you look, we have this on the 4 hourly. We have the moving average right here and it's above the price, which is not good. All right, so let's go to the daily. This is the main one that I usually watch and I usually talk about. So it's still under it. It's like really close to it. I was kind of wondering yesterday if we were going to come up and start testing it and start kind of messing around in there, actually, like going up and staying in here and then maybe getting up. But it looks like we got rejected. So yeah, we're still waiting for that price to move into this daily moving average before I pull a trigger. And then look at the weekly, same thing. It's gonna be a while before we have a chance to reverse, I feel like, because this weekly needs to come down and do the same thing as what the daily did, or the daily did it pretty fast. It actually went like really close to the price. So let's see, maybe it won't be able to get held down for long. Either that or maybe this is going to zero. I have no idea, honestly, but for right now I'm staying out of it, or I'm not actually buying more anyways. I still have my little fraction of a share, but and I am in the negative, but I'm planning on maybe dollar cost averaging down here, possibly. I still want to see a reversal though. I still want to see the price go into the daily and end up on top of it and finish on top of it and get a couple candles on top of it, so I know it's running. If we look at the daily moving average, let's kind of look at it again. Yeah, so I want to be on top of this with a couple candles clearly heading up. If we get one candle, it's possible that it comes back down right away. All right, so yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Correction down to about $25, $21, $22, something around there. I would say be patient with this still if you're still looking at it. I'm waiting around to see that price move back into the daily before I start getting bullish on it again. All right, well, I guess that about does it. So if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, and if you want to keep up to date, hit subscribe. But other than that, you guys have a great day.